Doge is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see, currently we are testing this 11-cent crucial support level, which I mentioned is going to be the last stand for the bullish case scenario. Of course, if we do see that break of that formation and then that rejection candle continuation, things can obviously look extremely bearish for Doge because of the fact that we had this massive bar formation being formed on the 4-hour. Ideally, as long as the bulls were remaining in control around the 0.124, I was short-term bullish because of the fact that we could have possibly been looking for another leg up to around that 0.168, my overall major level, because of the fact that this would count as that third retest. You guys know on that third retest we tend to have a massive move to the upside, but as of right now, Doge does look like it is slowly bleeding towards the downside, with the exponential averages also moving lower. Usually when this sort of thing happens, we tend to test the support level multiple times. We do get a break of that formation 9 out of 10 times, so the next take profit zone on Doge is looking like that overall 0.08. That's pretty much where we saw that break of that formation, so that's pretty much where a lot of traders are going to be looking to take some profits and possibly find a relief on Doge. You can see we did have a massive run up on Doge, of course, for the fact that we tried to break above that resistance level here, and the bulls had that opportunity to create that next leg up, but simply we did not see that sort of volume. This doesn't mean that the bullish case is obviously over. As long as we hold above this 11 cents, all it takes really is one tweet from Elon, and we can possibly be looking for one last leg up and that continuation. The only thing, of course, I recommend is if that is the case, and that would mean that we were looking for shorting opportunities, because this 0.168 level on the daily time frames acts as a very strong resistance point. You can see we had sort of the same sort of formation over here where we actually saw that move, saw that continuation, and then we got the next leg up, continuing breaking, trying to break above that 0.168, and then we saw the waterfall effect down. This is why I'm leaning towards that 0.168 level and hoping for the fact that Doge can possibly be re-entering that area for that shorting opportunity overall. Now, there is something to note, guys, on the daily time frames, is the fact that we were completely overbought, which I kept mentioning on the daily that we should be looking for a small pullback opportunity. But worst case scenario, we cannot break below this 0.103. The reason why is this acts as an exponential moving average support. And you can see Doge has used that level prior right over here. We used it as support before we had this massive bullish momentum. So technically speaking, we should be using that as support for that continuation rising up again. That is the last stand, of course, in terms of a wick scenario down if we do see that to the downside, and that's where the bulls can try to take control of that level for a manipulation and then that continuation up. On the lower time frames for Doge, you can see that we have broken the support level here at 0.11 and are currently retesting it as resistance. This is going to be very crucial for the bulls to actually try to take control of this level and make Doge go above these exponential moving averages for that bullish case to continue. The lower time frames will give you guys a better understanding of what the next possible move on Doge is going to look like. And if I were to zoom out on the chart here, you can see that this bar formation is definitely looking to play. We saw the same sort of formation on a Luna Classic, and you guys doubted me in that fact and said that, you know, that move to the downside will not happen. And we saw the same sort of formation breakdown and that continuation for that overall moveset. With the thing about these volatile cryptocurrencies is the fact that usually these movesets do tend to play patterns, right? And right now we are seeing the same sort of pattern that was created on Luna Classic that we are seeing on Doge right now, which is why I'm leaning towards a bearish case scenario. Now keep in mind, guys, this doesn't mean that the bullish case, of course, is over, because this could definitely lead into a V-shaped fake out. We just have to wait for a little bit more confirmation before we can go ahead and continue with that. This is why I only trade pretty much off the 4-hour time frames, because these give you a lot better understanding of exactly where Doge is going. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.